Once upon a time in the Rajasthan area, there was a huge drought. People suffered from shortage of water. Beautiful Queen Roopwati also suffered with the same problem. She couldn't bathe or water her plants. She was very sad. The king was sad too because his subjects were suffering acute shortage of water. Now, one day it rained, and it rained heavily. Everybody was enjoying the rainfall, but the king was still not happy because he knew that the rainfall will stop after some time. And then what? Everybody will be thirsty again. So he wanted a permanent solution to this problem. At that point, he saw a clever girl collecting rainwater in small utensils so that she could use it later. Now, at that point, he got an idea. The king thought that if he can store this rainwater somehow, then neither his subjects nor his queen will have to suffer from shortage of water. But how did he do it? Well, he made such wells. Now, these wells could store all the rainwater, and whenever there was no rain, people could actually go to these wells and fetch water. So they never faced acute shortage of water. In fact, if you go to the dry states of Rajasthan and Gujarat, you will see such step wells are still there, which were built by different kings in earlier times. Now these step wells store rainwater, and whenever people need to fetch water from these wells, well, they climb down these stairs and fetch water. Now these wells are called step wells because obviously they have so many different steps. Now why were these steps built in these wells? Because these stored rainwater, and in summer season, obviously when people will start using this water, then water level will start going down, and when the level goes down, people have to move down, that is climb down the stairs and reach the level of water. As a result, these step wells were made in such a way that it can store rainwater and people can reach the surface of the water easily. And if you go to the states of Rajasthan and Gujarat, you will still find such step wells which are still there, and the government has maintained them for heritage purposes. Now, why do the states of Rajasthan and Gujarat have these step wells? Well, it's very simple. These states do not have many natural sources of water. So, rainwater is a very important source of water for them. And as a result, people built such step wells so that they can store this rainwater and use it in future. So this is a video which shows such a step well. Now definitely people are no more using it, and so these are not very well maintained. But the government is still trying to maintain them so that whenever you visit them, you can know about our history and how people used to conserve water even when they had very less resources compared to our times. So in earlier times, rainwater was stored in dash wells. Can you tell me what were those wells? Well, they were called step wells. So in earlier times, rainwater was stored in step wells. Now with passage of time, people are no more using step wells, but the idea of storage of rainwater for future use hasn't really died. People are using different types of methods to store rainwater so that they can avoid acute shortage of water. And this storing of rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. So the technique which the king devised, that is making a step well to store rainwater, that technique is called rainwater harvesting. So whenever you apply a method by which you are actually storing the rainwater for future use, you are basically doing rainwater harvesting. So, how rainwater harvesting takes place nowadays? Well, when rainfall will occur, then rain will fall on the slanting roof of the house, and using such pipes, this water is stored in a tank. And once this tank is filled, then using pipes, water from this tank is supplied to different parts of the house. So the rainwater is used to meet different water requirements of the family. And if in an area all the families follow this water harvesting technique, then they will not need any other source of water. Rainfall will be enough for all of them. So rainwater harvesting is a very intelligent technique of storing water and using it. So you see, water is very precious to all of us. In fact, right from earlier times, we worshipped water. And the reason for worshipping water was that water is very precious. Without water, there is no life. And therefore, its conservation is very, very important. So you see, water is very precious. And so many people around the world actually face acute shortage of water. But if they apply the techniques of rainwater harvesting, then they will not face such shortage of water, and everybody can have good supply of water. All of this can happen only if we apply the techniques of rainwater harvesting. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge, or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English, and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.